family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. All right, y'all, went to Dollar General and doing another little deal. I have another number that I have included, okay? So, this number right here is mine too. So, I went ahead and I said, let me do this because I wanted the Ajax, the detergent. That's the dishwashing detergent. That's what I was wanting more of. So, let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, y'all. Now, went to the store. I picked up one Colgate Max Fresh. On my receipt, y'all gonna see two where she was supposed to taking it off, but she did not. And I went outside and I was like, why is my total so high? And it shouldn't have been that high. It should have been like $3 and something cents less. Okay, so I had to go all the way back in the store and get that corrected. So I'm just going to let you all know when y'all see my receipt at the end, okay? So I got the Colgate Max Fresh Knockout. It is $2.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon, making it only 95 cents. Then the Colgate, this Max White toothbrush, and I got the soft, and it's Colgate. It is $3.35. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? Only making it $1.35, which that is good. The next thing is this Oral-B Bright and Clean. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to this, making it only free. This is $1. The next thing is the Ajax. Now, it's the Ajax and the Palmolive. The Ajax, it has to be the 52 ounce, and then the Palmolive, I think it's the 40 ounce, but just scan it and you will see. But there's a buy one, get one free. Also, there is a digital coupon up to $4.35 that is taken off. Now, these Ajax, they are $4.25, and $4.25 did come off of the digital coupon, okay? So if you get in the Palmolive, they are like $3 or $3 and some change. That's all that's going to come off. Don't think that the $4.35 of the coupon is going to come off, because it's not. So you want to look at that, especially when you're wanting to do the 5 off of 25 for Saturday. It's only going to come, only the price of either the Ajax, which is $4.25 where I am, and then it's like $3, I think, and some change, or maybe $3. It all depends on the store also. That's the only amount that it's going to come off. The $4.35 is not going to come off unless the item is $4.35. Okay, so it's up to $4.35. So then the last thing, y'all, is this Suave body wash. I got the Sweet Pea and Violet. It is $2.25. There is a $1 off Dollar General digital coupon that is attaching, only making it $1.25, which is not bad because it is $2.25 in the store. Okay, so after she rung up everything, I put my number in, and like I told you all, she rung up 2 of my Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. She thought she had taken one off, but when I went back into the store and she had to call the manager, she told the manager that she rung it 2 up, but then she took one off, but it didn't come off. So the manager was acting like I actually got 2. And I was like, no, only got 1. So, a long story short, she did give me back my $3, and I think it was 13 cents after taxes. So my subtotal on here, you're going to see $7.80, but just subtract $3.13 from $7.80. You get your price. And let me show you my receipt. I'm sorry, y'all. My granddaughter is in here. So there it is. There is my receipt. There is my subtotal. You know, everybody's taxes is different. There is my total savings, $10.25. And I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. Deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.